Afternoon to madams and all. Today I want to present the portable nutrient sensor by IoT, and my name is Muhammad Hazrul Amirul bin Muhammad Asni. My student ID is 2022755921. So this video is about AGR491 video presentation. So we can see there is a table of content, which is introduction, description, explanation, elaboration, conclusion, and references. So we move to introduction. For introduction, I will tell you about IoT is an automation and analytics system which deal with artificial intelligence or AI, sensor, networking, electronic, cloud messaging, and etc. To deliver system for the product of services, the system created by IoT has greater transparency, control, and performance. So our main objective is to see the nutrient in soil. As we know, nutrient in soil there is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which is NPK. Together they make up the trio known as NPK. Other important nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur is also important too, but three of them is very important. So description of my video is I want to tell about the portable sensor that farming needs. This is because we can carry it to many places, but it must be in small size or easy to carry. For example, like a backpack. So the important tools that farmer usually measures are the NPK presence, moisture, and the temperature. These three factors are very important to crop for their growth. So here is my explanation. To make it those three aspects to another place to place is quite hard. So we can make sensors that attach to these three aspects, which is NPK, moisture, and temperature sensors. The three sensors will be attached to a stick, which is lead holder. This equipment also works with IoT system like Arduino to read the result of the three sensors. So item that we needed is like NPK sensor, moisture sensor, Arduino Uno board, temperature sensor, connecting wires to connect the ESP30 board with the Arduino board, bus module, and power supply to support the circuit and the sensor for operation. Lastly, wireless transceiver module because we can see the result from our phones. So this is all the item that we use. So the NPK sensor works to measure nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium which you held vertically and put in the soil for about 10 seconds for the result. The resistive soil moisture sensor measures soil moisture levels by utilizing the relationship between electrical resistance and water content. These sensors have two exposed probes that are inserted directly into the soil samples. So the functioning of a temperature sensor depends on the diode voltage. The change in temperature exactly corresponded to the resistor of the diode. The colder the heat, the lower the strength, and vice versa. So this is the result. The result of our gadgets, which is we have a bag, a PK sensor, moisture sensor, temperature sensor, and this is Arduino. This is diagram of the gadget that been used for the project portable sensor. The result when using this gadget will be more accurate. So for the conclusion, this portable 3-in-1 device provides the component needed for the overall crop growth and development, allowing farmers to achieve maximum yield with minimal resources waste. This strategically addresses all shortcomings and results in the increased plant productivity. Thus, precise agriculture appears to offer numerous advantages to farmers and landowners who choose to use the technology to manage their field and ultimately increase profit. The performance and testing of the 3-in-1 gadget revealed that it's very useful for those working in agriculture because it meets their needs. So that's all from me. Thank you. This is a reference.